If you don't want other users of the TikTok app to share and download your videos, here is the solution. TikTok offers the option to stop the downloading and sharing of videos so that your videos remain only on your profile. Let's do it! Open the TikTok app on your phone. Go to your profile by clicking on the profile icon. Next, press the three lines in the top right corner. In the menu, open Settings and Privacy. Tap on the Privacy section. Scroll down to the Download section. Click on it. As you can see, the Video Downloads option is currently enabled. This means that other people have been able to download and share my videos on other platforms. Now I will disable the Video Downloads option. This way, I will prevent the downloading and sharing of my videos. Keep in mind that even when you disable the Video Downloads option, others can still share the link to your videos. And that concludes this tutorial. If you like our content, like the video and follow the channel.